Good afternoon, teacher. How do you are well? This time I will describe a city and world like to visit in the future. In the future, I would like to travel to Paris Baguette. It is one of the most beautiful and romantic cities in. Therefore, it is located in France and is famous for its history, art, and impressive architecture. It will always be interesting in its elegant and cultural atmosphere. I would love to walk through it world string and learn more about its story. I believe it would be a very special experience for me. One of the places in world want to visit in the April tour because it is the main symbol of the city and I would like to see the world from the tour. I would also like to visit and learn music to admire its famous work or art. On addition, I would like to try traditional fresh food on board allowed to sail river. I think trade would be affordable and would allow me to learn about a different culture. Visit Paris in definitely one of my big dreams. That's why I thank you.